Hi, I'm Nikki, and this is Shar, and it was sort of last minute, so forgive us. Dear, don't be alarmed, 'cause I traced the freckles on your porcelain arms. Did you ever think you'd be a victim to charm so cheap and untrue? How did you think you'd get off? Pass me with a smile while you walk in your dog. Now I can't sleep 'cause I know that you're gone, and I know what you do. And dear, did you know that our days were numbered a long time ago? Can't turn back now, 'cause you swore it was done when you walked out the door. Thinking I'd like to say goodbye to you just this once more, but I know it wouldn't be the same as before.
She's very talented.
Boy, I hear she's the one. Crazy how fast you knew once we were done. Now that this speckled bird started to run, you won't ever come home. Tied myself to this room so I can't return to my comfortable you. Forget this whole town that reminds me of you, and I won't go home. And dear, did you know that our days were numbered a long time ago? Can't turn back now, 'cause you swore it was done when you walked out the door. No, thinking I'd like to say goodbye to you just this once more, but I know it wouldn't be the same as before. Darling, you know that I would come back if I could just let it go. So I'll just pretend that we could be friends, because you did wrong and now I'm alone. So now I'll be alone. Pack up these jealous things outside my door. Forget what you did, 'cause you know that you're gone, not the same as before.